app, you want to set up your email. So joe@gmail.com. Type in your password 123, then you can log in. Then from there, if you want to join somebody's current route as a rider, you add ride route. You type in your starting destination, like where your house is, for example. So 1739 North High Street, Columbus, Ohio 43210. I'm just gonna copy that and paste in the destination, and click what time of day you want to leave. So 9/0/09/00. The date. Let's say, okay, today is 10/20/2024. Then whether you want to repeat every 7 days. I said sure. And once you do this, it'll search our database for who's the best match to be your driver. And for here is bob@gmail.com, and his price would be $4 every single day. And it'll send him an email, and it'll link you guys via email, and now you have a driver. And similarly, if you want to be the driver and drive people and make money, you can add your route in the same way. Say 10/00, 10/20/2024. Well, you don't repeat, I'll say no for this one. You enter. Then when somebody matches with you, you'll get an email for everything. Your data is now in the database. That's our app.
So to give a little bit more context about our app and how this addresses Honda's challenge, it improves mobility. So for example, the efficiency, like you said, it matches drivers and passengers with similar or exact routes, reducing the travel time. Makes it more accessible because it is cheaper. It just utilizes those existing routes and allows drivers to earn money or passengers save money. It is sustainable because it reduces the number of cars that are already on the road, lowering emissions and contribute to a better environment. And it will just reduce the necessary trips because those drivers are already on those routes and making it safer for both the passenger and the driver.